Hey there, in this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up on Plaqad.com. To get started, visit www.plaqad.com in your browser. This leads you to the Plaqad.com homepage. Next, click on the Create Account button on the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Brand or Agency, which takes you to the Sign Up page. You can sign up with your Gmail, LinkedIn, or the form on the screen. Simply click on your preferred option to get started. Great! Now that you're signed up, you can complete your profile by filling in your personal and business information. Simply enter your profile picture, your business name, your bio, your phone number, your website, company size, type of business and industry, and click Save. Awesome! Now you're signed up on Plaqad.com. Start collaborating with content creators, influencers, and publishers on the go.